Now Surds part 6 continue. So another type of question is express the swords into the sword of the same order. That is this order, what it is called order. So here order would be same, that is 3 and 2. So how we convert to same order? So first of all take LCM of what order of order number. So 3 and 2 is 3 into 2 is 6. So resolving the sorts into the same order. So 13 root over 16, 13 root over 16 can be written as root under third root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So first of all take out this. So 2 root 2. So first, now what we have to do? So third root 16 is equal to 2 root 2 root over 2. 2 third root 2 is equal to, now multiply this 3 into 2, that if we multiply to make LCM 6, okay, so that here would be 6, that is LCM is 6, so here order should be also 6. How to make 6? So multiplying 2, if we multiply here 2, then their power will be same order, that is their multiplication factor is 2, so here power will be multiplication factor, that is here 2, and also it should be raised power 2. So we can get 2 root over 6 root 4. Again now for another 2 root 2. So 2 root 2. So how we make? Here is 3. So multiplying 3, 2 root 3 should be equal to 2 root 3. So what will be 2 to the power 3 is given 18. Sorry, 8. So so uh, 2, 4 and 6 root over 8 are of the same order, or of 6 can be written also. Now next, so arrange the following sorts in ascending order of magnitude. So what we have to do? 2 root 2, 3 root over 3, 4 root 3. So the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So resolving the sorts in the same order, first of all same order. So we have already discussed that how to convert in the same order. So LCM, it order should be of LCM number. So 2 multiply 6. So again 2 to the power 6. So we get 64 after that. So what if we convert 64, and if we take inside of this, so what will 2 to the power, and after multiplying we get this number. And again if we multiply this number in the same order, so 4, so here 3 to the power raised 4, and we get 81 after multiplying. So 12th root 81 into third root. So after this multiplying we get this number. It is a very large number. So fourth root 10. So 3, how to convert? Multiply with 3. So we get same order 12, and 10 to the power q will 1000. So arranging the sorts in the ascending order. So 12th root 100 is less than 12th root this number 2,62,144. So it's less than 12th root 43 lakhs 46,000 and what 721. So this is from this, and this is from this, and this is from this. So these are the arrangement, ascending order of this number. Now so addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. So what we have to do in this? So same order and same radical sign, same order and same radicands should be added or can be subtract. it means root 2 plus root 2 will give you 2 root 2, but third root 2 or uh, third root 2 or only root 2 can never be added. That is, it is sum as x plus x is equal to 2x, and this is x plus y, so this is different. So either either addition or subtractions can be done in the same order, or like we can say like sorts can be sorts can be can added or subtracted. So only like sorts, unlike sorts never can be subtracted or added. But multiplication and divisions, multiplication and division, okay, multiplication multiplication and division can be done in both unlike and like fraction. But if order is different, if order is different, then after making same order, so multiplication and division can be done. That is, if here is third root 3 into root 2, this is directly give you what, this is directly give you 6. So 2 root 3, that is, this will be 3 into 3. Again, if root 4 is divided by root 2, it will give you 4 divided, so 4 divided 2 is equal to 4 divided 2 is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so now if order is this is a like fraction. What is this? Is like like sorts, not like fraction, like sorts. If what will happen if the sorts are unlike, that is, if it is of uh, divided or multiply, divide or multiply, that is, let multiply, and this is 2. So what will happen? So here is 2, 2 or let it is 4. Okay, so what will happen if make the same order? So what will be the same order? That is same order, so LCM will be 12. So how to make? So third root 4, and this will be raised to the power 4, again multiply, um, here 4 root 3, so 2 to the power raised 3. So now this is of 12th order, so it will give you 2 to 4 16 into 12 root, so it will be 18. So what, so now it can be multiply, so 18. So what will be this, what will be the answer? So now it will give you 144. Okay, so in this way, in the like fraction, can be like fraction are like fraction can be added or subtracted. Multiplication and division, like fractions are divided or multiplied. But if fractions are unlike, if the fractions, sorry, sorts are unlike sorts, then we have to convert in a same order. After that we can only multiply and divide of the radicands. Okay, so radicand, this is called the radicands. Now rationalization, that the product of two sorts is a rational number. So here root 2 is irrational number. Okay, root 2 is rational number, and if we multiply this root 2 again, is this will be 2, and 2 is what, rational number, it is rational number. But root 2 is separately what, root 2 is irrational number, what, irrational number. So uh, we also say that root 2 is a rationalizing rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of what? Root 2. So root 2 and root 2 is a rationalizing factor of each other. So similarly root 3 is a rationalizing factor of root 3. So root 3 and root 3 is again root 3, and 3 is rational numbers. Again binomial sort can be rationalized multiplying by its conjugate. What? A binomial sort can be rationalized multiplying by its conjugate. Okay. So let any here root 2 and root 2. So how to convert in this situation, how to convert into rational numbers? So if we multiply root 3 minus root 2, it will give you root 3 to the power square and root 2 whole square. So it will give you 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So what is this? Rational number. So root 3 and root 3. So root 3 plus root 3 is a conjugate of conjugate of root 3 and root 3. We can say that root 3 plus root 3 plus root 2 is a conjugate of root 3 minus root 2. So or vice versa, vice versa. So and root 3, it means root 3 minus root 3 is also conjugate of this. So these are the conjugate of each other. So we can say that a binomial sort can be rationalized multiplying by its conjugate. अब यसलाई rationalize गर्नको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ त conjugate गर्नुपर्छ. यो एक अर्काको के हो त conjugate number हो. So rationalize denominator. In what will happen in this? So there will be any denominator any denominator has a surd or irrational number, then they should be what? Rationalized. So to removal of to remove a rational number from the denominator is called rationalization. Okay. So here 2 root 2 2 root 2 divided by root 2 minus root 3. So here 2 root 2 and minus root 2. So how to remove rationalize the denominator? So denominator should not have irrational number. So to multiply root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 plus root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3. So 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by root 2 whole to the power square root 3 whole square. So what will happen? So 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and 2 minus 3. So what will we get? So 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 3. This is the answer. So denominator is non-rational number or have a rational number. 1 minus 1 is rational number. So now it is this is the answer. So again what we have to do, let another example if there will be any. So now I will just give you hint, let do yourself. So x minus y and here will be x plus y plus root x minus y. What we have to do in these situations? Multiply minus, that it will take a minus b and a plus b, and it will give you a square minus b square. This is the main formula for this rationalization. So now multiply x plus y. Now what we have to do? Here is minus. Now x plus y minus root x minus y, such that x plus y, okay, x plus y minus x minus y, so that it will take a and it will be b, a and b. And now what will happen in this? So now it will give you a square minus b square, so directly, and this will be a plus 2, so a root over x plus root over x minus y whole to the power a. Now this will be x minus x minus y, and so this also would be, if we do x square, x x square plus no, minus 2 root x square minus y square, and this will be x square plus y square, and plus x square minus uh, x minus x minus y, and this will be x plus y. And in the denominator what will remain? So x plus y minus x plus, so this x will be cancelled out. Now at last what will remain in the last? 2y. So if we solve, we get, and we can solve this easily. So this is the process. It is just hint, it is just hint I have given you. Now so 1 divided by root 5 plus root 3 minus root 2, and rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize in these situations? Make a and b form, a minus b and a plus b form, that will again give you a square minus b square. So what I have done? So 1 root over root 5 plus root 3, make this is as a and this is as a b. So what will happen? Here is minus, so we must have to multiply with plus. So root 5 plus root 3 whole to this is a, now this is b. So upper numerator पनि के गर्नुपर्छ त root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. So what we get? Here is 1, so multiplying this we get the same number, root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. So this is now a and b. So what will root over 5 plus root 3 को whole square minus root 2 square is equal to, no, this is the same. Now this will be, now in this side this is a and this is b. So what will be a plus b को whole square? What is it? Is a plus b को whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now put this in this same way. So root over 5 को root over 5 2d square plus 2 root a and b, 2 root 3, 2 root 5 root 3 plus root 3 whole to the power square minus root 2 को square. So this is the same. Now square root of 5 square root root 2 square root 5 2d square, so this will be 5, and this is, so multiplying this, so same order, and so radicand should be multiply. So 15, we will get 15 plus 3 minus 2 from here. So again what we see? 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2, again we get 6 plus 2 root 15 is equal to, this is the same numerator. So now in denominator we can take common 2, so 3 plus root 15. Now again we have to rationalize this. So in this what is here plus, so here is plus, so what we have to multiply with minus, rationalizing factor 3 minus root 15, so multiply this and we will get 3 root 5 minus root 15, 3 root 5 minus 15 root 5 plus again root 3 minus root 3 into 15 plus 3 root 2 and minus 2 root 2 into root 15. So now after multiplying root 3 plus 5 minus root 75, radicand should be multiplied plus root 3 root over 3. So minus root 45 plus 3 root 2 minus 30 root 30. So 2 into 9 minus 15, 9 minus 15. So again we can resolve this 3 root minus 5 root over 3 into root 5, it can be written as 3 into 5 square plus 3 root 3 minus, now this can be written as 3 square, 3 square into 5, 3 square into 5. Now so here it will remain same, and now this 5 will be come out, so 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3, now here 3 will be come out, 3 root 5, 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root over 30 divided by minus what, 12, minus 12, it means after multiplying minus 16 minus 6. So what we will get, this and this will be cancel out because these are the same, like fraction or coefficient is also same. So now after remain here and here, sorry, this 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 and this, okay, this and this can be added or multiplied, so minus 5 and plus 3 is minus 2 root 3 and there will be same. And so again after dividing minus 1, minus will be converted to plus and plus will be converted to minus. So this is the final answer. So this is the rationalized answer or denominator. Now find the square root of the following. So a root 7 plus 4 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3. So here 7 plus 4 root 3 can be written as, so how we have to can be written this form 7 plus 4 root 3. So it should be arranged in such that either it will take a plus b whole to the square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or either it must contain this formula 2ab plus b square. So we can arrange this 4 plus 15 4 root 3 plus 3, so that 3 and 4 again will be 7. Now 2 square will give you 4, so it can be 2 into 2. So this is the now a, and this is a, and this is b, and root 3 3 root 3 can be written as root over 3, so this is b. So now this is the form of a plus b whole to the power a square. So a square root of 7 plus root 4 root 3 is root over 2 plus root 3 square, and this will give you 2 plus root 3. So now if a and b are the rational numbers, find the value of a and b in 3 plus root 6 divided root 3 plus root 2 a plus b root 3. So solution here 3 plus root 3, 3 plus root 6 divided root 3 plus root 2. So first of all rationalize denominator. So after rationalizing and multiplying we get 3 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus radicand should be multiplied root 16 minus again minus and root 12 divided by 3 minus 2. It is in the form of a minus b, and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So again after So this, after this, 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus this can be written as root over 3 square into 2 minus, and this 12 can be written as 2 to the power square uh, into 2 3. So we will get 3 root 3 and minus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So this and this will be cancelled out. This is coefficient and radians both are same and order is also same. So now finally we get minus 2 and 3, so we will get 1 root 3 only. So this can be written as 0 plus 1 root over 3 is equal to a plus b. Now comparing the coefficient, now comparing the coefficient, corresponding coefficient we get. So in the position of a, here is 0, and in the position of b is 1. So after comparing corresponding coefficient, we will get a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. In every book there is a lot of examples, so first of all you should read all the examples and then you should go to in exercise, that will make you easy. So here is some examples you can read. So what I have did here, and please read all the examples of your own books, that will help you here. So now here is exercise. In the same way all the examples can be done. Okay, all the examples can be done. Here please read